All rise. United States versus Raymond Reddington, CR 183656. Magistrate Judge Roberta Wilkins now presiding.
Morning, Your Honor. Assistant U.S. Attorney Michael Seema for the United States.
Jerome Lonigan from the Office of the Federal Public Defender for the accused. Waive reading of the rights and charges, but not the rights thereunder.
So waived.
Your Honor, given the defendant's history, the government asks that he be remanded.
Yeah, I'm going to calendar this for a month from today.
A month from today would be just perfect, Your Honor. Thank you.
Your Honor, may I be heard?
I don't recommend it, Mr. Reddington. You have an attorney. I strongly suggest you let him do the talking.
And I would, Your Honor, no question. But given how quickly things are proceeding, I get the distinct impression that Jerry here has a bus to catch.
I'm sorry, are we moving too fast for you, Mr. Reddington?
I'm just saying there are important matters to discuss.
Such as?
Well, for starters, Your Honor hasn't really considered the issue of bail.
Sir, you have been a federal fugitive for nearly 3 decades. The FBI's #1 most wanted. You are the textbook definition of a flight risk and a danger to the community. Now, let me be clear. Even if you were prepared to submit every last dollar in circulation on the planet, I still wouldn't grant you bail. Ever.
Okay, I for one feel better knowing it was considered.
Anything else?
I'm afraid so. May we approach?
Carefully.
You hang here, Jerry. This will only take a sec.
Look at my face, Mr. Reddington. I'm not amused.
And I assure you, neither am I. But the fact remains the prosecution has intentionally failed to inform the court of a critical factor in this case.
That is?
My immunity agreement with the federal government, an agreement that expressly covers the charges before you and protects me from overzealous beavers like Mr. Seema and his bosses.
Good Lord, you're a confidential informant. Mr. Seema.
If there's an agreement, I haven't seen any evidence to prove it.
That's hardly a denial. Mr. Reddington, is there anything you can offer this court to support the existence of an immunity agreement?
Assistant Director Harold Cooper of the FBI is here. He may be able to shed some light on the matter.
Assistant Director Cooper, step up, please. Sir? Mr. Cooper, I'm going to ask you this once and only once. To your knowledge, is there currently an immunity agreement in place with this defendant? Yes or no?
Yes.
Chambers, all of you now. You talk.
I run a task force. Officially, it doesn't exist. Its purpose is to arrest high-priority targets using intelligence obtained from Mr. Reddington.
So, Main Justice made a deal with the devil himself?
Shouldn't judges at least pretend to be impartial?
Your Honor, as I said, if such a deal exists...
Oh, it exists. Harold and I have been at this for over 5 years now. Of course, some of the people who originally approved it are either dead or have moved on, leaving Director Cooper to deal with the cover their asses crowd, who, by the way, are perfectly happy to milk this cow all the way to the slaughterhouse. I'm sure the first question they asked in response to my arrest was whether I could still continue to be an effective asset while locked up in jail. Am I right, Harold?
Mr. Cooper, you tell your superiors at Main Justice that I just ordered a hearing on the scope of the agreement, and I want a copy of it on my desk today. I can't rule on a contract I haven't seen. Understood? Good. We'll reconvene in the morning. Mr. Reddington, you have an attorney sitting out there who has no idea what he's gotten into. I suggest you fill him in.
Actually, I don't think that'll be necessary.
Why's that?
Because after careful consideration of the circumstances, I feel it more prudent to represent myself.